The alarm set on your iPhone 12 may not work if you have accidentally enabled the Do Not Disturb feature or switched the ringer to silent mode. Bugs and glitches may also cause this kind of problem, especially if you've been using the device for an extended period. In this video, we will show you how to fix the alarm that's not working on iPhone 12. First solution, check the ringer switch and restart the iPhone 12. The ringer switch located at the left side of the iPhone can be toggled accidentally. Make sure that it is not on the orange position, as that will indicate if it is enabled. If it is in the orange or red position, just switch it up to enable sounds on your iPhone. You can also switch it on and off to calibrate its function. Once done, restart your iPhone 12 to enhance the system performance and fix minor glitches that may have been affecting the alarm sound. Here's how. Press and release the volume up button quickly. Press and release the volume down button quickly. Lastly, press and hold the side button for a few seconds until you see the Apple logo. After restarting the device, set up an alarm that is close to your current time and check if it rings already. Second solution, adjust the ringer volume on iPhone 12. Just like the DND feature, the ringer alerts could also suffer from glitches that cause the alarm sounds to be muted. It is important to check if the ringer volume has been set up on a higher level. Simply follow these steps. Access settings from the home screen. Go to and select Sound and Haptics. Adjust the slider for ringer and alerts. After changing the ringer volume, set up an alarm again and see if it works fine already. Third solution, reset all settings on iPhone 12. If the alarm is still not working after trying those things, you may need to revert all manually configured settings to their default values and options. This will ensure that no misconfigured settings are affecting the alarm function and causes the issue. Don't worry, as it will not affect your apps or other personal information on the iPhone 12. From the home screen, access settings. Tap General. Scroll down to and then select Reset. Tap the Reset All Settings option. Enter your device passcode once prompted. Then tap to confirm all settings reset. Once the procedure is done, enable important settings and set up your alarm to check if it already emits an alarm sound. Fourth solution, factory reset your iPhone 12. Your last resort to address this issue is to delete all contents and settings, including third-party apps that may have gone rogue and affect certain functions on the device. Stubborn glitches that are hard to wipe out can be cured by performing a factory reset. To save your important files, create a backup first. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Tap Erase all contents and settings. Tap Erase now. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom of the screen. Tap Erase iPhone again to proceed. Now enter your Apple ID password, and then tap Erase to proceed with the reset. Wait until your iPhone has finished the reset, and then set it up as a new device. We hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.